Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua very important because if we request Allah with this dua, so Allah accept our fasting, what we have done in Ramadan, and also what we pray, salah, worship, so in ruku, in sujood, in qiyam. So Allah accept all of that with the mercies and blessings and all the mistakes which have been done by us should be forgiven. So we are requesting Allah with this dua. So inshallah you try to request this dua every night, every odd night especially, because in the last 10 days, and also don't forget in the last night of Ramadan. You have to read this dua as much as you can, and also at the time of Eid al-Fitr day. So during the day of Eid al-Fitr, you have to request this dua also, because all the fasting which we have done in Ramadan, so we're requesting Allah to accept. And whatever we have done worship, during worship we have done raku, sujood and qiyam and everything. So we request Allah to accept all that. Whatever mistakes have been done, so forgive with the mercies and blessings. So inshallah you try your best. Allah is ready to accept, inshallah. So we read this dua. Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma taqabbal minna صيامنا في رمضان وقيامنا وركوعنا وسجودنا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. اللهم تقبل منا صيامنا في رمضان وقيامنا وركوعنا وسجودنا برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. Allahumma, O Allah, taqabbal, accept, minna, from us, sayamana, our fasting, fi Ramadan, which we have done in Ramadan, wa qiyamana, and accept our worship, the qiyam that we have done in the worship, wa rakuana, and accept our ruku, wa sajudana, and accept our sujood, prostrations. Birahmatika, with your mercies, Ya Arhamur Rahimin. Ya Arhamur Rahimin, O Allah, the most merciful, please accept all of our fasting, all qiyam, ruku, sujood, every type of worship, what we have done in Ramadan. Please accept all with the all types of worship, zikr, reading Quran, reciting. So everything, please forgive all types of mistakes which have been done by us, and accept our worship completely and fully. Accept our fasting. So please, O Allah, you are Arhamar Rahimin. Please, with your mercies and blessings, accept our fasting, our qiyam, our ruku, our sujood. So, inshallah, Allah will accept, and the door of paradise will open for us. The door, the special door, the door which is called Rayyan. So that is the door for the people who are fasting and their fasting accepted by Allah. So for them, the door, special door of paradise, Rayyan, will be opened, and when the people will enter through the door, they will see Allah there. MashaAllah, the greatest blessings of Allah and mercies of Allah will fall upon those people there. So because they have to see Allah. So that is the special blessings of Allah. We request this dua at least all nights of the last 10 days, and the last night of Ramadan we have to read this dua also. And don't forget to read this dua on the day of Eid al-Fitr. So inshallah Allah will accept all of our fasting and all of our worship with his blessings and mercies, and we will be free from all types of punishment, all types of Allah's azab of hell. So we will get the way through the door Rayyan into the paradise, inshallah. So Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.